Oh my gosh, Mom, thank you.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Look.
What's that?
Can I see this first? Oh my gosh, this help me.
Should I help you open?
Yes.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
That's all.
Okay.
And then you do. Wait. I don't know how you open this thing.
I can open myself.
Okay.
So take this out. Okay.
How? Kanji. You want?
So can you see? That's mine.
That's mine.
Oh my god. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, Sisi. Ungaphinda ungicele iperfume yami yazi?
Yebo, Ma.
Yeah, ungaphinda ungicele yami. Omunye nomunye usebenzisa yakhe ngithi.
Yebo, Ma.
Kodwa nawe uzongiboleka kancane ngoba nami kade ngikuboleka ngithi.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see how you open it.
Can you see here? No.
Ay, mina ngikwazi ukuyivula lezi zinto. Wait. Hayi mntanami, dabula.
Dad! Wow!
Just do this. Just do this. Right? There we go. There we go. There we go. Yay!
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, Sisi. Ngaphinda ungicela ngithi?
Yebo,
Omunye nomunye usebenzisile eyakhe ngithi?
Yebo, Ma.
Okay,
Can I
sis.
see?
Yeah, you can open. Ungayisi. Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome, Chummy.
Oh. Oh. Can you put it?
Hmm?
Okay, see. Can you put it?
Okay, Zin.
Yeah.
Okay. Nazo okay?
Now you fight.
Nam? Okay, uyangiboleka?
Yeah.
Sharing?
Carrying.
Okay, mntanami. Hayibo. Ha! Nwa mnandi kanje?
Can you hear it?
Can you hear it?
So nice. Can you hear another one?
That's not from there. Ngifake laphayana. It's Lovisa. I bought Lovisa. I bought you earrings. Do you like earrings?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Hayi kodwa uyawasaba. Vala lana ke ngaphuki
Oh,
iphefumi
wow.
yakho.
Mommy. Wasabi.
Usungivalele kahle, bamba kahle. Imali. Nazo ke.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mommy, I like earrings. I'm not scared. Can I see, please?
Yeah.
I'm going to close it.
Uvalanga iloni yakho, iphefumi yakho. Donsa la. Inzima ke lento yokuvula. Uba uzolokho akuvulela mangekho mina. Nazo, vala ke chomi. Nazi yonke intombazana, vala. Nawo uzongiboleka chomi inwa kamnandi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yini lo? Hayi sleep les, sleep sis.
What's this?
Angiyazi. Mina ngiyaqala ukuthenga i-LV mntanami, hayi ngiyaqala ukuthenga i-LV.
Earrings.
Angiyazi, kunamaphepha amaningi nje. Ungawa-understand. Imali. Hey,
Oh, paper.
it's an envelope.
Oh.
Uh-oh, sorry. Nah. What is it?
Please open for me. Oh, there's nothing.
Okay, ile phepha le look spray le look test yabona?
You went
Look test. Abantu bangalokhu bas test eskinini sabo baqeda iperfume yakho. Bafakele la uthi la bayinuke la. Yes.
Okay.
Angithi?
Yebo ma.
Okay. Buyisela la sisi.
Okay. Put it, mommy.
Nazo.
Yeah, mommy. Put here.
Hayi angisakwazi.
You put it myself.
Hayi kodwa shema sikho isidingo sereceipt engaka.
Can you see?
Hawu, iphepha lonke balifotocopy nje. Hayi bakithi. Umntana omuhle, ohloniphayo, olalelayo, samthengela izinto ezinhle ngithi.
Yebo ma.
Yeah, mawuphinda
Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome sis. Mawuphinda ulalela futhi, ukuthengela enye futhi, yabona?
Okay.
Yeah, ukuthengela lesa sikhwama kade usifuna lesiyana. Yabona? Ampo sisi. Ampo mama.
Thank you.
Oh, sisi. Mwah.
That's live. Why?
Okay, buyisela ngabe buyisela le and it's fine. Thatha le receipt uyifake la.
Mommy.
Okay, sungahambi uyodlala ke mawugeza kusasa uyifaka ne? Yabo ifana neyami le enkulu. Yabona?
No board.
Sama same.
Can I put it together?
Wait, let me take it for you. Hey, Yasinde yami kodwa ngikwazi ukuyiphatha.
See, I'm so super strong.
You're so super strong.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow. This is so fine.
Wow.
Oops.
Wow.
Sorry, mommy.
Okay, let's hang Let's hang big, sis.
Mommy, we need to put it together. Oh, I get
Uyibhala nje kanje. Right, like this. Yabona?
Okay.
Let's hang sisi.
Mommy, please, can I put it together?
Let's
So
hang
high?
Nazo ntombazana.
Yay! Thank you,
You're
mommy.
welcome, Tanda Sami. Esihle Tanda Sami. Oh, baby wami nje. Mntana nje.
Also buy me earrings.
Angizwa?
Also please buy me earrings.
Okay, I'll buy you earrings.
Not perfume.
You don't want perfume anymore.
Yes,
Just
that's
one.
fine.
This one is fine, ne?
Yeah.
Ngithanda ukuthi grateful. Uyawazi nama limit akho mntanami. Hayi.
Mommy. And another phone like you.
Unayo nje iphone?
Oh,
Oh. So funani kanti?
I want also the square.
Oh, the one with 3 cameras.
Yes.
Okay. No, amnandi perfume yasibahle. Hayi. Hayi Thomi no akamnandi yo. Thomi. Shaya. Ay.
Can I show Auntie? Can I show Auntie?
Show auntie again. Okay, guys, this is it. Thanks for joining this live. It wasn't really interesting. So yeah.
Got it!
Ngayiphuli yes?
Yeah, Mama.
Yeah.
Kodwa ngizoyivala bese ngiyayivala futhi.
Phela nje ungayiphuli.
Yeah, Mama.
Okay, sis. Okay, guys. It's been lovely. Singihambe ngiyodla ngilambile. Sibahle.
Ma?
Nanguthando la kule live.
Tando! You said sorry. But I got surprise from you.
He said sorry for what?
You said sorry to say something.
Yeah?
Can I show Tando my perfume?
Okay, well. She's gone. She's gone.
Look. Tando.
Ungayiphuli mntanami.
Do you like it?
Ungayivuli la. Yes? Mawuyivula bamba la phansi mase udonsa phezulu. Sizwa?
Yeah, Mama.
Okay, hamba ke.
This.
Ooh,
It
so
looks
nice.
like my mom.
Oh, so nice.
What did it say? Yours and mine.
My one says Christian Dior. Your one says Louis Vuitton.
Also me. Bye, Mom.
Yeah, kuthini? Awukwazi ukufunda?
Mm-mm.
Ithi Louis Vuitton.
Oh.
Manje uhlekani? Ithini? Ithini? Hayi. Lalela la. Woza la.
Okay.
Also, it's this many boxes. She's so happy, Shem.
Ma.
Oh, Auntie Zuki says hi.
Hi.
Say hello, Auntie Choimi.
Hello, Auntie Charlie. Amazinyo afana.
Amazinyo wakho afana nawami.
Mhm.
Uyavuya mntanami. Yo uyavuya chu.
Yeah. Just
Nwaka mnandi mngani wami. Hayibo. Umntana kabani kanti lona nwaka mnandi so.
walk.
La. Ngithele la mina.
Okay.
Okay guys, thank you
Yeah, mommy.
for watching. Okay sis. Okay?
Yeah, mama.
Oh, okay.
Lemon donuts.
Namanga. Ayafana Choimi, usuxoka emntaneni, usuxoka please. Hey, Bex does it better. Hello, Auntie Tobza. Come say hello to Auntie Tobeka.
Hello.
Say hello, Auntie Tobeka.
Hello, Auntie Tobela.
Where's Khoto? It's
Where's-
Kuto. Is it Khoto or Kuto? Okay, I'll say Simba. Where's Simba?
Where's Simba?
Yeah, we want to see Simba. Nimkoke, nimtsipe, nimdlalise nje. Angithi?
Cooking Jalisa.
Yeah, auntie. Ampo. Ayinto uzomgeza umntwana.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, mama.
Yeah, umgeza umgqokisa angithi.
I'm guessing Colisa Minglise.
Ampo. Sure. Ay, okay. Sorry, sicela singani. Okay, sharp. Thank you.
Can I
Zwi.
have it?
The baby.
Yeah.
Huh.
It's so cute.
Umbone happy.
Mommy,
Yeah?
please, me and you gonna sleep with him.
Okay.
And a
We'll sleep with
bunny.
him. Okay.
She gonna like a bunny.
Eh?
She gonna like a bunny.
Okay.
She gonna
It's a
like
boy.
it.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Kuto. It's so bad because I actually read it in Tswana, both in Tswana and Sotho. Okay, I think it's Kuto if it's Tswana. Kuto, ne? Please, after the pandemic, I need that child in my house, please. Uhambe, uyogroova, ushinga nam.
Mommy,
Just for one day. Okay, actually, it doesn't matter. Yeah?
it's the boy or the girl?
It's a boy.
Mm.
Yeah. It's a little Caspanyo vest.
Mommy, can you call him?
Call him.
Can you call him Sibana?
Huh?
Sibana.
Hayi, akusumntana kakho lona.
Mommy,
Umntana kaThobeka.
can you call Sibana?
Igama lakho Kuto.
Can you call him Sibana?
Okay, so hello.
That's my baby.
Hi, yeah.
Sibana. It's
Okay,
my
sis.
baby.
Okay, ma'am. Papa in guys. Sayodla ngilambile. Sibatla olamba.
Sushi.
Chomi, please, eh?
Mm.
Don't stress me, please.
Sushi. Good to order soup. It's all.
Yeah, ngidela izolo ebusuku phela take break now. Yozu ube yisushi now. Akubambe embhedeni wami please.
Okay.
Sharp.
Yeah, Mama. Yeah, bamboo better one.
Uba.
Mina.
Ungaphambi nje embhedeni. Embhedeni. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Love you.
What? Banjoy papaya.
Akekho papaya mntanami. Yehlisa umoya mntanami yazi akekho nje upapaya basuke.
Mama. Thanks you get a lawyer.
Utheni?
Ute. Focus sheet.
And that is
Wrong.
wrong. Guys, stop saying fucking shit to the baby, man. She's lying.
Her name is Hato.
Unamanga. Awu sibahle. Awunamanga mntanami mehla. Awunamanga. Uma igama lakhe?
Her name is
Ungabi namanga.
Tobago.
Ubani? Ntobeko. Hayi bo unamanga.
Yes!
Hayi you are lying.
I show you.
Unamanga Chomi.
You will walk.
Hi. Guys, I'm gonna leave this live as I said before. Sparkly says bye bye. I'm also saying bye bye. Love you.